Oh, what do we have here? Today we have police track down iPad thief on airplane using Apple's Find My. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it.
On February 22nd, 2023, airport officers were dispatched in response to a reported iPad theft.
So I had it over here, and somebody just took off with it, I guess.
Okay.
So the tracker.
Gotta be dumber than a box of rocks to steal a fucking iPad, bro. Especially if you ain't turn it off. Like, they're gonna find it on Find My. That's the whole reason for Find My iPhone. Find My device.
Area.
Okay.
I mean, it's obviously not with me.
Right.
Obviously.
You can put a thing in, like play the sound.
Yeah.
So like it'll go bing, 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 if you hear it, and it's not anywhere around. No. So I've looked, I've listened, I mean, it's pretty loud, you can hear it.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's moving now. Yeah, I said it's 0.6 miles away now.
So it's going.
Yeah, it's moving.
I mean, did this flight just board, or do you know?
Huh?
Did this flight just board, or do you know?
Yeah, I went over there and asked them, and they basically told me that they can't do anything. So I was like,
Okay.
Who do I call?
Call the cops. You better call on Tyrone.
Sorry, I just grabbed that.
Oh, no problem. Oh, never mind. It says it's here. It says it's 200 feet that way. And if
Come on.
you take this,
No, come on. You're with me, so. There we go.
VIP Express, baby. VIP style. Yeah, she say you with me. Stop playing.
Okay. So is it having a kind of case on it, or what color?
No, it's bare naked. Apple pencil. I don't know why they didn't take the Apple pencil.
Okay. What's the last
What a coincidence. The fucking plane didn't even take off yet. This looks like Spirit Airlines.
It says Virtual Industries on it. It looks just like that.
Okay. So I'm gonna hop on that plane. If you will go ahead and play that for me.
Just keep playing it. You want to take video? I trust you.
Oh, okay.
Just keep it in play sound.
Okay. All right.
And you about to miss your flight because you want to steal somebody. Boy, you a piece of for that, boy.
Hello.
Is that Spirit?
Checking an iPad that belongs to somebody, and it looks like it's back here.
Oh, they found it.
Okay.
Found it. Oh, wow. It's like right there.
Not that it already found it. Did do it, Judge? I love sitting right there in the emergency section. They gotta be knowing each other, because if not, I would have been like, get off of me. Hell's you doing? I'm a pimp.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have an iPad?
Yeah, I think it's in Terminal E. It's like where the checkpoint is.
Oh, no, I'm looking for one that's on the plane.
Ooh.
So you're missing one?
Yeah, I left it on where the security checkpoint is.
Nah, this ain't got nothing to do with you, little baby.
Okay, I don't know anything about that one.
What the fuck? Is that Mr. Beast? Oh, no. I thought that was somebody else. At first glance, it did look like Mr. Beast, though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think we know who it is. Bingo! It's his dumb ass.
Is your phone going off?
Yes, it is.
You got a phone going off?
He 1,000% speaks English. Don't act like you don't speak English now.
No, I think that's something different. No.
That's him.
iPad?
He trying to act slow. Come on, bro. The gig is up, baby.
That noise?
That might be his alarm. I think he put it on snooze by accident because it was going off earlier.
Nah, that's not it.
Is your
Mind your business. Mind your business, great value, Mr. Beast.
alarm going off again? No.
Somebody got...
That's him.
I don't speak Spanish.
Is it in the overhead
That's
fan?
what I'm wondering. This bag.
Oh.
Your bag? off. Come with me. Oh, come on.
Yeah, you know what that mean, motherfucker.
Come on. Can I get
Cause your ass wanna steal. You already on the plane, about to go home, and you wanna steal. You lit liquor.
Sorry.
This?
Yeah. The backpack is his. That's.
I have no empathy for somebody that gotta steal, bro. What's the point of you stealing? And then your dumb ass didn't even cut it off. You still left it on. Or does it still make that sound even if the device is off? Either way, you gotta be a grade A loser to be doing some shit like this.
So here's your phone to speak Spanish. If you go back to there, we're gonna deal with something here. Spanish?
Nope.
Oh, Spanish?
We're bringing somebody. We're bringing somebody over. Okay. iPad?
She don't speak Spanish?
It was just sitting there?
Nada de English. Oh, iPad.
Yeah.
En un asiento.
Not yours, right?
No.
No?
Sí, ya. No es mía.
The one in there is yours.
No es mía.
No?
Estaba en un asiento.
Then why is it in your bag?
Man, he faking. His ass understand exactly what's going on.
We're gonna get a Spanish speaker over here. Come on.
So we're gonna head upstairs.
He almost bust his ass. See what happened when you be stealing for no reason?
Bueno, lo pierdo.
You're not flying. No. You're
Huh?
coming with us.
Oh. No voto.
No.
Oh, es.
Just stop. We're gonna get a Spanish speaker.
For the translation, though, we don't have to do it over the phone.
It's like he acting like he don't understand what she's saying, but he reacted to all her movements and what she's saying and know when to leave and when to, come on now, buddy.
Just stay right there, okay?
He's gonna get
Es que nada español. Alguien para explicar.
He's gonna take time out to get a phone number where you
We
can
have a
make a phone
Spanish
call.
speaker coming.
No es mío.
Okay, not yours? Don't touch it.
No entender.
Oh, yes. Don't understand, of course. Yep.
Oh, ya el avión.
I don't speak Spanish.
El avión.
No.
El avión.
No.
You not leaving, my boy. Your ass going to jail.
No.
They got Spanish speakers in there.
No.
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 Sí.
You have a stolen iPad in your possession. We're getting a translator so you'll understand. But you have a stolen iPad.
Oh,
You picked it up
Yeah.
and put it in there.
Yeah.
Not yours. That's not yours.
Yes, sir. We do need some help with that. So.
This iPad?
yo.
That's gotta be fucking embarrassing to steal something that's not even in the language that you speak. Or is he faking? Y'all think he faking, not speaking English? I think his ass faking.
Sí. Pero no fue como que sola. Sola, abandonada.
It's not yours. This iPad, this phone is mine.
Sí, ya.
That iPad is not yours.
No.
You put it in your bag.
Sola.
No.
Oh.
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
Ya,
for me.
ya.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for your help. Okay. You're now on speaker. So if you'd like to explain to him, the sound in his bag would belong to the iPad that was not his, and then we'll go from there.
Hello.
Sí, diga.
Hey, la policía dice que esa máquina que está en tu bolsa
Sí.
no es tuyo.
No es mío. No es mío, la encontré. Estaba en el piso. En un asiento, o sea, abandonada.
Eso es que, okay. Officer,
Yes, sir.
he says that he found it on the floor, it was abandoned.
Okay. You want to ask him what he's doing picking up property that isn't his?
Hey, señor,
Diga.
¿quieres saber por qué levantó la cosa si no eres tuyo?
Disculpe, es que estaba abandonada, pensé que fue un error mío. Disculpe.
He said he's sorry, but since it was abandoned, he thought he could pick it up.
Okay. It was not abandoned. It was sitting next to the contractor's
But
property.
it belongs to another person, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Señor,
Diga.
esa máquina esa
You can do all that you want, boy. Your ass still going to jail.
persona
Sí, yo lo sé.
que trabaja allí en el airport.
¿Oh?
Okay?
Diga que no lo entendí.
No, esa máquina que tú levantó es de otra persona.
Oh, es que pensé que estaba abandonada, pero sí, no tengo problema. Si es otra persona, o sea, no tengo problema. Sí, no tengo problema. Se lo entrego, no tengo problema.
This is why you don't need to have sticky fingers and you need to keep your hands to yourself. You don't never touch somebody else's shit, bro. That's law.
He's gonna give it back. There's no problem, and he's sorry.
Okay. If you'd like to inform him, he's going to be placed under arrest for theft, because that is a problem, and taking someone's stuff and taking it onto a plane and putting it in your bag is not acceptable.
Hey, señor.
Diga.
Hey, dispénsame, pero sí es un problema. Es que uno no puede levantar.
Sí, es verdad, cometí un error. Yo, sí.
Hey, y echó tu bolsa y hola, hermano, contigo. Y boom, you know.
Yeah, your ass going to jail. That's why you looked up like that. Oh, yeah, your ass understand what's going on.
La policía estuvo buscándolo.
No, pero es que no, es que si está en mi bolsa, no.
Yeah. Your ass going to jail.
En tu posesión, ¿no?
If he wants to come over and explain it, because I don't think he's going to
Tú
get it.
tenías, ¿no?
That's up to
¿Yo tenía?
Tú tenías la máquina, ¿no?
Sí, pero es que no sabía ni que lo estaban buscando, no sabía si tenía dueño, ¿sabes? No sabía, si no hay problema, si eso no es mío.
Bueno, eso es que dice. Uno no debe hacer.
Sí, es verdad, tiene razón, fue un error. Pero...
Now he trying to talk his way out, talk about he just found it. Boy, you ain't find shit. You was eyeing that thing, and when old buddy turned to go do something or whatever he did, you took it.
O sea, no pasa de nuevo.
Do you want me to come over there?
No, we have another officer that's actually cleared up, and he's able to come over.
All right.
So,
I would explain to him. He's still saying no. He's sorry. There's no problem. You know?
okay. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, face the wall.
How the fuck he don't speak no Spanish, but speak no English, but he know where to face the wall? How, Sway? And I thought she was Spanish. She looks Spanish.
Put your hands behind your back. Oh, manos here.
Yes.
Aquí.
Oh, amigo.
Oh.
Put your hands behind back. Hold on.
Yeah.
It's too late to apologize. It's too late.
What gets me is that guy, he didn't know where to go. Like, he didn't know what plane to board or whatever. So he asked me for help. And I helped him board the plane. Like, I told him, yeah, you're going to go here when they say this or whatever. Like, so he understood me then.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I
Good to know. I appreciate that.
I was like, when I saw him, I was like,
He's definitely a piece of shit for that. Cause you get some help from somebody and then steal from them, bro? You deserve to go to jail.
oh man, that kind of hurts my heart a little bit.
Yeah, that does.
Nah, but don't stop being a good person though, bro. You did the right thing. His ass going to jail.
Everything else is just talk.
Okay.
But pretty much what he's, it's the same thing basically. He's saying, hey, I was sitting there, he saw it there, he thought it was abandoned, and he's telling me, look, I recognize
We ain't believing that shit.
what he said. I recognize it's here. So he's asking me if there's other things that can be done, blah, blah, blah. And he's asking me too if, this is important for the report, but he's asking me if this is going to affect his travel. I said, you're not traveling right now.
Yeah.
This will affect future travel.
You gonna travel to jail? That's the only place you finna travel. That's it.
I don't think so.
So look, he can sit over there with that little pouty face if he want to, but yeah, that's it, baby.
He's charged with theft and spent the day in jail, ultimately missing his flight.
Among other things. See, this is why you don't steal. And this is why you don't steal from people that sat down and help you. You feel me? Like, he sat there and said, I told him where to go, and he understood where to go when I told him, but he don't understand y'all now when he got caught stealing. That's bullshit. Oh, man. Come on, bro. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Video is coming right after this. It's not pinned because I'm still uploading it right now as we speak, but it's coming. But that's it, baby. We out.